Hi, my name is Mr. Mark, and today I'm going to give you an update of my solar power system. Let's get started. So I am so new at this, and you can see that I got a couple of panels here that I'm working with. This is a big 150 watt panel. This is a little 6 watt panel, and this is 18 watts, and they're powering different things. This little panel is powering that light right there, while this fan is being powered by this panel, and then there's another one out here on the roof, and that's being powered over there as well. So I got a small battery here inside here, which is powering a charger, a little phone store power device, which I can use at night to run some other lights and things like that. But my bigger system is the 150 watt power that goes to here, and I just mounted this in this little cart right here so things can be easier. So here's my solar charge controller at this level, and over here I got some circuit breakers. One circuit breaker for the battery and the other circuit breakers for the solar panel, and a surge protector. And down here I got my 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter that I've got connected to my battery, and the battery is down here, which is connected to both the solar charge controller and the inverter, like that. So it's a 4-tier system that I'm trying to learn how to use. Like I say, I'm new at this, but I'm learning hopefully quick. I have made some mistakes along the way, just like anybody else, but that's life, right? So that's it. That's the update, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.